家好, this is John, interesting Chinese characters. Today we will learn 3 new characters which are related to the weather. They are cloud, rain, and snow. Okay, let's look at these 3 characters first. 1, 2, and 3. Let's start. The first one is cloud. In Chinese we call it 云. Let's look at the old character first. 3,000 years ago, it looks like this. You see, here there are 2 lines that stand for the air, the air in the sky, and obviously this stroke stands for the shape of the cloud. So it's got the meaning cloud. So right now we write this way. Okay, this is cloud. Let's look at the word space. Cloud, 云, 白云 means white snow. You know, 白 is white. We learned this character before. 白 is white snow. Second character is rain. In Chinese, 雨. Let's look at the old one first. You see, does it look like it is raining? I think so. So there, waters, see, it's coming down. Right now, we write this way, but these 4 dots also stand for waters, for water coming down. That's 雨. Look at the words with 雨. First one, 下雨. Do you remember 下 means something go down or down? So 下雨 is to rain. It's a verb, to rain. 雨 is a noun, but 下雨, the rain goes down. 雨衣, 雨 is rain, 衣 is for clothes. So 雨衣 is a raincoat. Next one, 雨伞 is umbrella. By the way, you see this character 伞. Does it look like an umbrella? Yes, sure. When we made this character, we just made it from the umbrella. Okay. Last character, 雪 means snow. If you pay attention to look at here, the top part of this character is rain. Okay, then the bottom part looks like a capital English letter E, but reverse. Okay, so make it different from the character rain. So that's 雪 snow. Some words with snow. 下雪, again 下 is something goes down to snow. 雪白, the snow white means very white, like snow. The 雪山, you know the character 山 means mountain. So 雪山 snow mountain is mountains with snow. Okay. Then let's look at the writing order of these characters. If you got a pen, please write. Very easy. 2 lines and this stroke. Next one, 雨. Okay, please copy it. 雨. Read aloud and copy it. Next character, 雪. Please read aloud, 雪 and copy it. 雪. Okay, good. That's all the characters for today. Thank you for watching, and if you want to find your tutor, please visit our website www.thechineseclassroom.com. 谢谢，下次见。See you.